Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing pepper garlic rasam, a perfect immune boosting rasam recipe, ideal to have with hot steaming rice. So let's get started with the recipe. Make garlic pepper rasam into my small chutney grinder. I'm adding in about 10 garlic cloves, 1.5 teaspoon whole black peppercorns, half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 2 shallots. I prefer to use shallots in my recipes because they are a good source of iron and folate. However, if you don't have shallots at hand, you can use 1/4 of an onion instead. 1 teaspoon organic coriander seeds, a small piece of tamarind, 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed, 1/4 teaspoon hing, also known as asafoetida. I'm using homemade asafoetida powder. I've already shared how to make asafoetida powder at home. Please do check it out. 1 green chili, which I'm breaking into small pieces and adding in. Green chili you can increase or decrease to suit your taste. Half teaspoon organic turmeric powder. Today I'm using Vigon turmeric, which has high curcumin content. Half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder. And now I'm going to blend all this really well. Okay, now I have ground the ingredients. Now into this I'm going to add in the rest of the ingredients. I'm adding in a handful of coriander leaves. I'm just tearing the leaves and adding in. I'm roughly slicing in 2 tomatoes. So this is the size of the tomato I'm using. I'm roughly slicing and adding in. And now I'm going to blend all this really well. Okay, now I have blended all the ingredients. And now I'm going to keep it aside. I'm heating my stone cookware with 2 teaspoons wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 whole Kashmiri chilies which I'm breaking into small pieces and adding in, a sprig of fresh curry leaves which I'm tearing and adding in, so that the flavors are released. I'm slicing in 2 shallots. One fat pinch of methi seeds, also known as fenugreek seeds. Give this all a good mix. And once the shallots starts to turn light golden brown in color, reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in the ground ingredients. Add in about a tablespoon of water and wash down the residue into the stoneware. Give it a good stir and let it saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a good stir and add in 2.5 cups of water. Into this I'm chopping in 1 tomato. So this is the size of the tomato I'm using. I'm using a total of 3 tomatoes in this recipe. Chopping the tomatoes and adding in. I'm also chopping in a handful of fresh coriander leaves. Give this a stir and allow this to come to a boil. To balance all the flavors, I'm adding in half teaspoon jaggery. Now I'm using organic jaggery which does not have any sand or dirt or dust particles. Hence I'm adding it directly into the rasam. Now give it a good stir and allow it to come to a boil. At this stage you can check salt. If you feel you need more salt, you can add in. And once it starts to boil, give it a good stir. Allow it to simmer for about 2 to 5 minutes and then you can turn off the flame. Stoneware cookware has high heat retention like cast iron cookware. And once done, turn off the flame, give it a good stir, and my super healthy, immune boosting pepper garlic rasam is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with hot steaming rice. So guys, do try this healthy rasam recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.